This presentation talks about a multi-purpose low-cost biological air purifier which was developed at the Dr. D.Y. Patil Biotechnology and Bioinformatics Institute, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, Pune. The industry partner is DNovotech, Pune branch. This project was funded by Srishti BIRAC, Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Let me tell you the background of this innovation. We all are aware that air pollution is a serious threat to humans as well as to animals. It is also a serious threat to plants. And there are a lot of causes of this pollution. Air pollution is because of vehicular emissions outside, because of industrial emissions, and it is not only outdoor air pollution these days which is harmful, but even indoor air pollution which is very harmful. Indoor air pollution is contributed from cigarettes, incense sticks, and also from the smoke of the kitchen chimney. Considering that we all have to take care of our respiratory health, already we know the serious consequences of the COVID pandemic and how a small biological entity can turn around the life in a different direction. This should teach us a lesson that we have to take care of our health, and health should be the utmost priority. Industrialization is effective as long as it gives us a good and a comfortable life, not compromising with our health. Thus, we have come up with a biological remedy to curb this air pollution at the point of emission. This innovation is about an air purifier, basically an air filter, which has been named as BioSmoTrap. This filter is made up of a biological material and it has the capacity to capture the pollutants at the source of their emission. It is biodegradable because it is biological material. It can be recycled also to a certain extent, and it reduces or it captures both organic as well as inorganic pollutants. It does not need any power supply. It is easy to use and it is very cost effective and pocket friendly. This is the prototype of a BioSmoTrap. As you can see that it composts of two major parts. One is a receptacle, which is a clamp that actually holds the biological air filter in place. And this clamp is made in such a way that it can fit onto any exhaust or any vent where you wish to capture the pollutants. For example, in this figure, you can see that the BioSmoTrap along with its clamp can be placed on a vehicle exhaust tailpipe. So this is the direction of the exhaust gases which come out from the tailpipe, and these are comprised of nitrogen oxides, carbon oxides and sulfur oxides as well as particulate matter. So this filter can capture all these different pollutants over here, resulting in cleaner emissions. When we tested this filter on a number of vehicles, we found that it decreases the pollutants by 70 to 90%. So the filter is specially designed to absorb harmful gases, which we call as COx, NOx and SOx, and also the particulate matter which arises from the flue gases. You can place this filter on any point where the pollutants are emitted. More than 70% of these pollutants are captured in the filter. Because this filter is made up of lignocellulosic material and active microbes which are belonging to the safe category, Therefore, it becomes a recyclable as well as a biodegradable material. We can reuse this filter. How can we recycle it? We can recycle it because since it's made up of carbon as the basic structure in the backbone, it can be used again in order to grow the same microbes which we are using as active biomass in the filter. The filter is very pocket friendly and cost effective. The raw material is available very easily and does not require very stringent expertise to make the filter. The filter is held in a trap or a receptacle which holds it in place, which therefore can be put on any point source of pollutants, making the filter very much user friendly. We have tested this filter on a large number of vehicles by fitting it on the tailpipe of several different types of vehicles. So the only expertise that one requires is to measure the diameter and to check the orientation of the tailpipe and accordingly design the receptacle such that the filter can be held in place while the vehicle is moving. We have tested this on a petrol car, on auto rickshaw, on diesel car and on tractor, and in every case we have observed that almost there is a decrease up to 70 to 90% in these pollutant or these harmful gases. So what is this filter made up of? As already told you, this filter is made up of lignocellulosic fiber sheets which are impregnated with filaments of living algal cells and also filamentous bacteria which are called special bacteria called actinomycetes, which belong to the generally recognized as safe category. The algal cells can be propagated with the fiber so that they naturally entangle on the fiber and the fiber is coated with the algal filaments. The fiber sheets can be easily made available and algae and the filamentous bacteria can be cultivated in the laboratory. So you can see that this kind of fiber sheets will be available. They are easily commercially also available and you can make them yourself as well. And you have to twine these with the alga and the bacteria, and this is how the filter looks like finally. It is resistant to heat because if you are putting it on the tailpipe of a vehicle, the emissions are having high temperature and the filter does not catch fire because of that. This is the carriage assembly, this is the filter, and this filter is placed in this carriage assembly or the receptacle, and this is fitted onto the tailpipe of a vehicle, and this can remain fitted on the vehicle while it is running. If we talk about the costing of the filter, it costs on an average rupees 10 per square centimeter. The users can easily replace the filter themselves, and the filter can be available on petrol pumps and online platforms. The one-time cost of the carriage assembly is rupees 1000 because it has to be specially designed according to the vehicle tailpipe dimensions. When we tested the filter, this is how the filter looked before putting it on the tailpipe of a vehicle, and after running the vehicle for almost 160 km, the vehicle was a highly polluting vehicle. After testing it for around 160 km, this is how the vehicle filter looked like. So you can see that the filter has turned completely black in color, which indicates that the obnoxious materials have, or the pollutants and the particulate matter have trapped on this vehicle. This vehicle, on this filter has got the thickness of 5 mm and is 3.8 square centimeter in diameter. Here you can see that when the filter was not placed on the vehicle, the level of carbon oxides and nitrogen oxides in the emissions was very high. And this is the place where the filter was attached. And after the filter was attached, you can see that there is a drastic decrease in the carbon oxide and nitrogen oxide emissions from the vehicle. Similarly, we observed a drastic decrease in the emissions of nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide as well as particulate matter after the filter was placed on the vehicle. These are some standard emissions which are permitted in the Euro light motor vehicle cars. So what products get trapped in this filter? This filter is capable of trapping carbon oxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, in short COX, NOx and SOx, and also the particulate matter gets absorbed. We have tested this and by thermogravimetric methods, which are enough to show or demonstrate that actually the pollutants are getting captured in the filter. We have tested the emissions for different time periods, and we can see that within 5 minutes the emissions come out clean. So once the pollutants are absorbed on the filter along with the other gases, the filter can get saturated, and when it is saturated, it can be used to grow the same algae and the bacteria that are entrapped in the filter. One can also use this filter as a source of carbon backbone material that can enhance the fertility and texture of the soil. So if the used filter is simply buried in the soil, it eventually will get degraded and it will improve the texture of the soil. Now, one question which many consumers or many prospective customers asked us was that if you place the filter on the exhaust pipe, will it not create a back pressure? So we have already tested. The back pressure is very nominal. It is much within the recommended limits. We have tested this using a back pressure tester kit, and there is no negative impact that the filter has on the vehicle. You can see that the recommended limits for back pressure are given in this slide. Under ideal conditions, the back pressure was nominal. At 2000 RPM, also the back pressure was within the recommended limits. Slowly we evolved the filter so that it can be used also for monitoring and controlling the indoor pollutants. So what we did was, we created a glass chamber which resembles just like a small room, and in this glass chamber we have placed plants on one side and we have kept incense sticks or cigarettes on other side, and in between we put this Biosmotrap filter. And what we observed was that the plant health deteriorated if the plants were directly exposed to the smoke coming from cigarette or from the incense stick. Whereas when we placed this filter between the plant and between the incense stick or the cigarette, this filter could trap the emissions coming from the incense stick and from the cigarette, and the plant health was retained to a greater extent. So these slides show how one can make use of the same filter for preventing or protecting us from indoor air pollution. We also checked whether our own cells in the body are getting affected if the cells are exposed directly to cigarette smoke. So we made a smoke exposure setup and we exposed our own cells to cigarette smoke directly, and we found that our cells definitely were getting damaged. and we placed the Biosmo trap filter in the trap over here, and then when we exposed our cells to the smoke coming from the cigarette, our cells were protected, which also demonstrates that biologically this filter is capable of absorbing the pollutants and therefore can protect us. This talks about the genetic level studies which we have done, where it shows that the cellular viability is better when we are using the filter to trap the indoor air pollutants. This invention is protected by Indian patent and also by a PCT. We require 1 year to make this product commercially ready. It is estimated that the market for air purifiers in India can reach to $209 million by 2021. And 14 out of 20 most polluted cities in the world are in India, as per the latest reports of WHO. International market for this filter is rest of Asia, Africa, Brazil, Spain, besides India. There are other technologies which are available like HEPA, ion, ozone, activated carbon. However, if we consider the cost of those technologies, it's much higher than what we have proposed over here. This filter can be assembled on the vehicles at PUC centers or at petrol pumps. We can have some attractive offers for the customers that if they use this filter, they will get carbon credits or they can get clean environment credits, and also they will get 1/4 price discount if they successfully use it and return this filter to us. This is the expected global air purifier market: commercial, residential, industrial. It has uses in all the 3 sectors. Therefore, the target customers can be huge. The revenue model has to be self-sustaining. It can go to dealers, it can go to online partners, it can go to users of old vehicles, it can also go to exporters. This is a comparison of few more innovations which are there in the market, like Gravity Labs, Chakra Innovation, Alternate Tech, who have also developed filters but with a different concept. And if you see, the cost of our filter is much lesser than the other ones on an average. And also, we have the data for all the pollutant removal, which is not the case in other filters. So when we tested this filter, we spoke to a large number of customers to get their opinion whether they would like to use this filter, and we got 100% positive feedback. We have already tested this filter on 50 vehicles, different kinds, commercial as well as personal vehicles, and the feedback of people who were driving with this filter on their vehicles was taken, much with their consent. They also have given 100% positive feedback. A small video of the feedback is also included as a short film. We have an MOU with D Novotech Mumbai for commercialization of the filter for 10 years. As mentioned, it is not only a promising candidate for outdoor filters, but it's also a very promising candidate for indoor pollutants. So we can handle both outdoor as well as indoor pollutants. And this innovation received the Gandhian Young Technology Innovation Award in the year 2018 at the hands of Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind ji. Besides that, the innovators also got an opportunity to visit USA and attend Aspiring Women Entrepreneurs program. As well as this innovation was selected as an exhibitor at SATHI, which was held at the 4th India International Science Festival in 2018. So, Biosmotrap is a patented multi-purpose biological air purifier which reduces air pollution caused due to motor vehicles with 70 to 90% reduction of the air pollutants. We hope that you will support us in this initiative and help this product reach the market for your benefit and for the benefit of this planet. Thank you.